Hi, I'm Fulling Mill Fly Designer Tyler Boroff, and today we're going to tie the hot belly Baetis. We're going to start with Fulling Mill's new midge hook, the 5145 in a size 20 and 12-aught brown olive wax thread. We're going to tie this in just short of the eye, saving room for a head. We're going to go ahead and trim that. We're going to take Fulling Mill 7X Masterclass tippet for rib. And tie that in on the far side. So again, I like to make these flies a little wider instead of tall. That's a good way to accomplish that. So we're going to go ahead and tie this all the way almost to that deep bend right there. I'm going to throw 2 wraps overlapping. And I'm going to take a piece of olive body quill. I'm going to lay that as a tail and go right up the body with it. And I'm going to stop just short because I'm going to save room for a thorax here. So stop about there, about where the tip would be of the hook. I'm going to unspin the thread to lay it flat to kind of even out that body. And we'll take our 7X and come under the tail and rib it evenly all the way up to where we have stopped the thread. We'll tie that off. And cut that. I'm going to whip finish this thread and cut it because I'm going to change the color for the thorax. So we're going to pick up a fluorescent 12-aught orange thread and tie that in. And I'm actually going to cut the tail, so I like to fold it up along the body, get that size about where the thorax is going to be. That's my tail. I'm going to take the body quill and fold it around the thread, tying it back on the top of the hook. Once I hit that last rib I have there, I'll go back and forth and build that thorax up. And bring the 2 quills forward over the top for the back case. And then pull them apart for the legs. Give it a little whip finish. Position your legs before you pull it tight. Cut it, and then when I cut these legs, I like them to be just almost to that second rib on the body. This fly was designed to replicate a lot of small Baetis we find here in our tailwaters, from New Mexico up to Colorado. You get a lot of these dark body Baetis. Once again, this rib helps keep the teeth off the body, the thread body, and gives it more life. The tail sprawls out and really does start to look like little individual tail fibers. Same thing with the legs. And that body quill is really durable for a good wing case. And if you look at it from the top, it actually kind of changes the color of the quill body here. And then from the bottom, you get that nice bright color to attract as that thing goes tumbling through the water.